If you're a beginner, and you can make you more understand how you create health for the beginner, make people more energy. For the trying to create health, especially beginner people, or already you have experience. This type of things never have a limit, maximum. You always build up you more up. Because of that, no one say, I have too much energy, I don't want energy, or I have too much happiness, I don't want the happiness or too enjoyable, this type of things. And when you practice, you always can develop more these things. Even your beginner training, first time, or do little time experience, if you do the right way, you always can get this wisdom, one's compassion, this wellness things always can come to you. It's just when you practice how you can develop and connect your body inside cells and make cells find the home. Make all the cells that will be found a home. Make all cells can protect their home. All the cells, the home, that together, protect their nest, the home. That's the energy come to you. One body, you want to heal yourself, get a better health, get a better immune system. You must need to do the things. Doesn't matter what you do. You always need the two things joined together. One is the wisdom. Wisdom. This means it's joyful, happy, and warm, and confidence, and feel freedom, and feeling safety. This is the wisdom about increased health. And then number two, you only have enjoyable, however, not enough. Also you develop and compassion. This is the love. This love you have to share, not just for yourself. Also you need to share with yourselves, with your friend, with around your things. These two things joined together. This is the wellness. I like you do any movement when you practice. I would really like see this wellness, and through when you practice movement, see this vibration out. You release the practice, keep you more doing, you will be build up your body inside the nest, inside body the home, and inside body soul is coming rich. It's inside the world. This means when you practice this one, you link the emotional area. This will help you have a lot of negative things through your practice, and these negative things, anxiety, depression, trauma, anger, sad, or whatever, with your process, when you practice, and it will be like a water, like a river, move this with your time practice, and take these things move away. And also when you practice, come the good level, good time, you start forget yourself, forget the place, forget the time, and forget yourself. You just enjoy in that moment, in this moment. Doesn't matter what you have, how much experience. Always practice with your breath, with your lung function, and with your oxygen, and working together. So we started to very simple. When you under this type of things, through your breath, link to your movement together, you don't have to make movement complicated. Just simple. you reach this type of target.